Hello everyone. Why choose Samsung Hygiene Steam washing machines? Here are 5 main reasons why Samsung washing machines are remarkable and different from other washing machines in the market. Eco Bubble and Bubble Soap technology. This technology helps in removing stubborn stains and ensure complete fabric care due to low temperature washing. With this technology, water and detergent get mixed together and pass through Eco Bubble generator, which completely dissolves the detergent in combination with air. These bubbles are being passed to tub for powerful washing, wherein in other machines, detergent is being dissolved in the tub. This enables to give 40% faster detergent penetration in clothes and reduces electricity consumption by 70%. Hygiene Steam. While washing clothes, the customer's major concern are: will it be able to clean heavily soiled clothes? Will my clothes be free from allergens and bacteria? Do I need to boil clothes to keep my kids away from skin rashes and itchiness? Hence, Samsung introduced Hygiene Steam technology in 2 wash cycles, Hygiene Steam, bedding. This removes 99.9% bacteria, inactive allergens and heavy dirt by releasing steam from the bottom of drum using very less quantity of water. This function works for 20 minutes after washing and before rinsing. So now, keep your family safe and healthy and say no to allergens. Ceramic heater. Generally, what happens is calcium builds up over heating iron rods in other washing machines, which decreases the quick heating ability and increases the chances of frequent repairing of heater. Hence, Samsung introduced ceramic heater, which gives 3 times more durability than conventional heater because of ceramic coating, which ensures quick heating ability without any repair cost. Another great feature is digital inverter technology. This motor rotates smoothly without any friction as compared to non-inverter motor, which causes a lot of noise and vibration due to consistent friction between brush and coils, leading to frequent wear and tear of motor. The major benefit of digital inverter technology are less energy consumption, less noise, longer lifespan, and complete peace of mind with unmatched warranty. Diamond drum. In diamond drum, the holes are smaller and located deep within each diamond-shaped depression, which ensures complete fabric care, no tangling of clothes, and effective washing. So this is why you should choose Samsung washing machines. Thank you.